Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video I will show you how to unlock the head-to-head in FIFA Mobile. As you all know, FIFA Mobile upgraded and is now FC24 or FC Mobile. Okay, so this is a homepage of FIFA Mobile, and make sure that you have an account with FIFA Mobile. As you can see, mine is already here and I'm currently logged in. Okay, so now to unlock the head-to-head in FIFA Mobile, come and click on your club over here. Make sure that you have your club and make sure that you've organized your club. And as you can see, for my team, my club is Manchester United over here. That's the icon I'm using. So first come and set up your club very well. Set up your player, set up your formation. You can change the players over here like this by swapping them. And after doing all that, what you'll do is simple. Head back to the home page by clicking on this home icon there up. When you go back to the home page, click on play over here. When you click on play, what you'll do is simple. Come and click on division rival over here. Okay, so you click on division rival. When you click on division rival, as you can see for my case, the head-to-head is currently unlocked. And how is that possible? You only unlock the head-to-head when you're finished unlocking the versus attack. Okay, so for those who don't know the versus attack, if I come over here back to the division rivals, the versus attack is the first one there. So you have to first play the versus attack until you reach the amateur 1 level over here. When you reach the amateur 1 level, when you go back over here, the head-to-head pro will also be unlocked. And when you finish reaching the pro level in head-to-head, as you can see, I'm in the pro 1 level, even the manager mode will be unlocked. So it's a step-by-step process, guys. Okay, after unlocking versus attack, unlock the head-to-head. And if I click on head-to-head like this, okay, as you can see, I'm in pro 1. This is my level and I'm working hard to reach in world class 3. Okay, so just click on play over here. When you click on play, I'll be searching for an opponent, and if I search for an opponent, I'll be able to play with this opponent when the game has finished loading up. Okay, so guys, as you can see, the opponent has been found. Okay, and this is head-to-head opponent that I'm getting. And when the opponent has been found, they show the introduction over here. Okay, and then after showing you the introduction of the opponent, what will be next will be simple. We'll just be playing the game over here. Okay, and that's it, guys. Okay, so guys, I hope you found value in this video. If so, please make sure to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Until next time, we shall meet once again.